It's harder than ever to identify scams, with the average Brit spending almost 80 hours a year just trying to figure out if a message is real or a scam. Thankfully, online protection companies like McAfee are keeping up with new sophisticated scamming methods so we don't have to. So how does their scam protection work? McAfee Live Safe now comes with Scam Detector, which helps spot scams before they can do damage. So you don't even need to try and suss out if that email, text or video is legit or not. Scammers have worked hard to develop ways to exploit our trust and emotions, but McAfee Threat Detection isn't fooled by these tactics. This makes it the perfect buffer to intercept these messages before they get to us. Scam Detection is trained to spot a scam, seeing the difference between an email or text you can trust and one you can't, and it will tell you why the message is risky. You don't even need to open it. And with a quick check on the app, you'll know in seconds. So you're less likely to be tricked into handing over money or information to a scammer. This doesn't just work with text and emails, it also works with videos. This is another place where McAfee technology has the edge, as it will identify AI-generated audio within seconds and let you know before you click on any links. So, this world-first automated deepfake technology means you're less at risk when scrolling through videos in your downtime. And if you've accidentally clicked on a dodgy link, we've all been there, that malicious page will still get blocked before it can load, so it won't do any damage. If you'd like more info about McAfee Scam Detector within McAfee Live Safe, visit us in store, head online, or you can even talk to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.